It's my last day in the country of Morocco before I head to New York. So here's everything that I like about this country.
Go!
I like the city that's all blue and the city that's all white and the desert that's all yellow. But Morocco does not like drones, so instead of the big things, I'm going to show you the small things. Like the Moroccan tea with sugar, the orange juice that tastes like sugar, and the food that looks like a pyramid. The 2 kisses on the cheek for a hello, the Arabic that I do not understand,
نشوف جمع الفنان تسرح واحد شوية.
and the menus that are all in French, but that I do not like. I like the mud that's so weak you can crush it, and entire cities that are built from it. I use my drone here. The nomad, Muslim, Jew, woman and kid, that are all Moroccan. And of course, the musician with a flying turban. When you add up all these little things, you get something that's bigger than all of them. Morocco. That's 1 minute.
See you tomorrow!
See you from New York.